professional background ko and what I bring to the table as a progressive candidate, right? I want to bring that sense or that expectation, that baseline of professionalism that's very lacking in public office, right? Medyo bara-bara tayo, medyo padrino system, right? You all know the drill, right? But if you're coming from a very, let's say, efficient, from a very, let's say, young and agile industry like the BPO industry, which I spent more than a decade in, right? I started as an agent, I became a trainer, I became an operations manager, I became an operations director. You're very, very religious about operational excellence, meaning wala dapat red tape, wala dapat fat, wala dapat unnecessary processes. Your aim is always operational efficiency. I want to bring that to the table. I want to have that idea na our customers, our clients is the public, right? So in our capacity as public officials, dapat ganun din yung expectation na kung anong kliyente mo, you need to be able to give all that with the utmost efficiency.